Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is x power 3 divided by 2 equals 5 power 3 divided by 2. We are solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So we start by expressing this exponent as 3 times 1 over 2, which is the same thing as 3 over 2. And we do the same thing here. This is 5 power 3 times 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power n times m, this equals a power m or 3 power of m, and also this equals a power m or to the power of n. So we are going to apply this identity right here, in which this is our m, so we are going to transform it this way. We have x power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3, and this equals 5 power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. So from here, remember, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So this will give us square root of x raised to the power of 3, and this equals square root of 5 raised to the power of 3. So from here, we move this over here. It becomes negative, so we have square root of x to the power of 3 minus square root of 5 to the power of 3 equals 0. So right here, we have power 3, there's minus. We need to expand this, so if you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, a is root x, b equals root 5. So we are going to apply it right here. So we have a minus b is square root of x minus square root of 5 times a squared, that is square root of x raised to the power of 2 plus ab, we have root x times root 5 plus b squared, we have root 5 to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So right now, we are going to have root x minus root 5 times this cancel this, we have x plus root x times root 5. This is root 5x plus this cancel this, we have 5, and this equals 0. So from here, we are going to equate each of these to 0. We have root x minus root 5 equals 0. We also have x plus root 5x plus 5 equals 0. So let's solve this individual equation, starting with this one here. The first is we move this over here. We have root x equals root 5. This cancels this, so we have x equals 5. This is our x1. So in this other part here, we are going to make this the subject. We have root 5x, and this equals, I move this over here. I move this over here. I have minus 5 minus x. So at this particular point in time, we are going to take the squares of the part of this equation. So we take the squares, raise this to the power of 2, raise this to the power of 2, this cancel this. So this is 5x equals this is negative 5 minus x times negative 5 minus x. So from here we have 5x equals negative 5 times negative 5. We have 25, negative 5 times minus x. We have 5x, negative x times negative 5. We have 5x, negative x times negative x. We have x squared. From here, we have 5x equals 25 plus 10x plus x squared. We move this over here. So this is 0 equals 25 plus 10x plus x squared minus 5x. From here we have 0 equals 25 plus 10x minus 5x is 5x plus x squared. So from here, we can rearrange this equation starting with x squared. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 25 equals 0. So let's solve this quadratic equation. We are going to use the formula method. We run the formula in respect to x. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. That is the a, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is 5, c is 25. So we have a is 1, b is 5, c is 25. So we are going to insert everything right here. And we are going to have x equals negative b, negative 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 5 squared, minus 4 times 1 times c, that is 25, divided by 2 times 1. X equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared, this is 25, minus 100 divided by 2. X equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 100 minus 75 divided by 2. So from here we have x equals negative 5 plus or minus. This negative here, you are going to have square root of negative 1 times square root of 75. So from here we have x equals negative 5. So we have plus or minus. This is negative square root of negative 1, that is I times square root of 75. We can express it as 25 times 3 divided by 2. From here, we have x equal, this is negative 5 plus or minus I times square root of 25, that is 5 root 3 divided by 2. So from here, we can factor out 5 divided by 2. We have x equals 5 divided by 2, that is negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So at this particular point, we have two values for x. We have x2 equals 5 divided by 2 times negative 1 plus I root 3. We also have x3 equals 5 divided by 2 times negative 1 minus I root 3. Now, these are the two complex solutions. I will also have one real solution here, which is x equals 5. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to check. We can check for the value of x. Our x equals 5. We can check by inserting this particular value for x. So we have 5 power 3 over 2 equals 5 power 3 over 2. So this side and this side are the same. So that means that solution is correct. So that is how you can solve this exponential problem. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.